Welcome to my channel, guys. Today I will show you how I earn an extra $100 every month. And without wasting more of your time, let's get into it. Okay, so basically what you do is you're reselling items that you found online. In my case, it's a blender. It's a Vitamix blender, built like a tank, barely breaks down. You can fix it very easily. And I find those on OfferUp, on Mercari, on eBay, and I try to find really good deals on them, and I sell them again. You can see in my example, I bought this blender from a woman in California for around $68 and only needed one little piece to be fixed. And I fixed that piece for around seven-ish, max, let's say $10. It cost me to fix that piece. And I did that, and it profited me basically more than $150 if you do the math. Bought it for 68, sold it for around 220. That's really good math, and it's not always going to be that great, okay? You might just starting out with a smaller product, that is, or something that's, a little bit cheaper. But if you stick with it, the numbers will start adding up, and eventually you'll find a product that's right for you, which you are knowledgeable in. And that's my strategy. I only stick with blenders because I know about them, I can fix them, and I can resell them pretty easily. So those are my steps, guys. 3 steps: you find a product, you find a really good deal on that product, and you resell that product. If you like this video, please do hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this in the future. And again, I'm Adeep. I want to say thank you.